Hi, this is Jeremy with Digi International Tech Support, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to replace the default self-signed Digi digital certificate with your certificate. The device I'll demonstrate this on is an EX15 device, and this information is applicable to other Digi devices that run the DAL operating system. The first step is to obtain the required files, the SSL TLS certificate and private key. You may already have these items. If not, you can create a self-signed certificate using the OpenSSL utility or other similar software such as XCA, or even obtain these items elsewhere, for example from the Let's Encrypt website. These items should follow the X.509 standard. The DAL-based Digi product user guide contains example syntax of using the OpenSSL utility. Your certificate and private key files should both be in PEM format. Although the file extension is not relevant, typically the certificate file would have a .crt or .pem file extension, and the private key would have a .pem file extension. The private key may only use the RSA, DSA, ECDSA, or ECDH algorithm. At the time of this writing, password-protected certificate keys are not supported. To add your certificate for use for communications with the HTTPS service, for example, log into the device's web UI and then navigate to System, Device Configuration, Services, Web Administration, Access Control List, and then paste the contents of your certificate and private key into the SSL certificate field. The certificate contents must be pasted first and should begin with the words Begin Certificate and end with the words End Certificate. The private key contents must be pasted second and should begin with the words Begin Private Key and end with the words End Private Key. When done, click the Apply button to save the changes. If after refreshing your browser, it shows a security error, you may need to add the certificate to the Trusted Root Certification Authority's store of your browser.